Hey, I bet you're wondering, what is wholesaling? Or how can I get started in wholesaling? Or is there a step-by-step guide on how to wholesale real estate? Well, in this video, I'm gonna walk you through the entire 9-step process from start to finish. Stay tuned. Hey, what's up guys? My name is Gaither Hendricks and I help new people wholesale real estate by giving you information on how to find and close deals. All right, so big time disclaimer. Before we even get started, I'm not a guru, okay? I'm not Max Maxwell, Nasa Ellaby, Brett Daniels, Chris Jefferson, Chris Bruce, none of these guys, okay? I'm just a regular person like yourself that knows how to wholesale consistently, okay? And just to let you know, nothing wrong with those guys. Those guys are at another level where their business runs without them. Right now, just to understand what wholesaling is, you can get to them levels later, all right? So let's jump into it right now, all right? So step one is marketing for motivated sellers, all right? You have to learn how to market for motivated sellers, and there are many methods to do it, but the methods that I know of, that I've done, is bandit signs, Facebook, PPC ads, cold calling, text messages, ringless voicemails, and direct mail. Those are all the forms of marketing that you can use to find motivated sellers, all right? Step two is talking to sellers, okay? And the biggest thing is understanding the difference between somebody that wants to sell and somebody that needs to sell. Because if you don't identify this difference, you're gonna be spinning your wheels. I'm just be honest with you, okay? That somebody, either they don't have the money for a property that is just needs some work, okay? Somebody that can be a landlord, somebody that can be, going through a death in the family. The second thing, as far as finding a motivated seller, is this: they have some type of personal issue that they're dealing with that causes them to have to sell. And that could be foreclosure, that can be tax foreclosure or a bank foreclosure, it can be a death in the family, they could live out of state and don't want to deal with it. Those are people that need to sell. The people that don't need to sell is people that just, yeah, sure, throw me an offer. What you got? What's your offer? You know, have you heard terms like that? Those are people that's just fishing for offers. So we want to focus on the people that need to sell, not want to sell, okay? Step three, all right, is learning how to find the ARV of the property, AKA value, AKA comps, all right? So for this, there's two ways you can do this. I love to use PropStream. The link is in the description below, all right? And I also like to use Zillow, but PropStream or Zillow's the freeway, but you want to find at least 3 to 5 properties that are similar, okay? And you want to find you want to be similar to year built, same bedroom and bath, same square footage of the property. And also you want to make sure that if the subject property you're trying to make an offer on is a brick, you want to only compare it to brick houses. If it's a conventional build, meaning that vinyl sidings, you want to compare it to vinyl sidings, okay? If it's a mobile home, you want to compare it to a mobile home, okay? Step 4 is understanding rehab costs. Now, I get it. You're new. You might not know exactly what that is and how to calculate it, but let me give you something easy that can help you get started so you can get a good general idea, okay? Level 1 of what I call light rehab, that's cosmetic, that's gonna cost you $15 per square foot, okay? $15 per square foot, all right? So say you got a property, somebody says, yeah, it just needs painting, the room need painting, new floor, new carpet. That's what we call cosmetic, okay? And that is $15 per square foot of the subject property that you're working on. All right, now level 2 is $25 per square foot the subject property you're working on. And that is typically with kitchen, bathrooms need to be updated, need to be redone. That's gonna be $25 per square foot of the subject property. And the level 3 is $35 per square foot of the subject property. And a lot of times that means big ticket items need to be taken care of. So when big ticket items need to be taken care of, HVAC, roof, foundation, that is actually very big projects, and that is something that you need to consider, okay? Step 5 is making an offer, okay? But first off, before you make an offer, you need to understand the two pieces before that help you. So you want to take the ARV minus 70% minus the repair cost and then minus your wholesale fee, okay? That right there will give you your max allowable offer. So let me just give you a quick example of what that is. So you say, for example, your ARV is $100,000, okay? And then you want to times it by 70%, and then that whatever that number comes out to be, and then you want to minus $25,000 for repairs and then $20,000 for wholesale, okay? Your wholesale fee. Your max allowable offer is $30,000. And whenever you're giving an offer, keep in mind you want to give range offers, okay? Because it's less aggressive and it's less confrontational, okay? It's just a little psychology to help you out. And a range offer would be something like this. Hey, Mr. Seller, normally me and my partners buy properties similar to yours, anywhere in between, say, 21 to 28,000. Would you be interested in that? The reason I say 20,000 as your wholesale fee, because nationwide I say average is about 10,000. My company, we're average about $15,000 a wholesale deal. But keep in mind now, you have to leave meat on the bone for the end buyer. So don't be greedy. Make a range offer. You get a commitment within that price. Then what you want to do is lock the contract up, okay? Step 6, y'all agree to a price, okay? You agree, you get the contract. So now what? Okay, first thing you want to do, you want to find a title company, okay, or a real estate attorney to help you close the deals. And there's 3 ways that you can find this, okay? The first way, which is my favorite, if you don't like to hit the phones, get on Facebook, get in your local REIA group and ask for the recommended investor-friendly attorney, okay? Second way is go to the REI meetings, your local REI meetings, and see what attorney they use, what attorney they recommend. And the third way, which I think is pretty good, is get on Google. Google title companies that are in your area or real estate attorneys that's in your area. And what you do is you pick up the phone, give those guys a call, and you want to ask at least 3 questions. Do you do assignment? How long is your title process? And how much is your cash closings, okay? Step 7, market the property for cash buyers, okay? All right, this is where it gets fun to me. I love kind of finding cash buyers because you get to build relationships and do different things. The places to market your property, there's 3 ways you can do it that I recommend. Is first off, Facebook Marketplace, okay? That's very good. A lot of cash buyers are on there. As long as the numbers work, you'll find the buyers, okay? Second one is Craigslist, all right? I know Craigslist, they say it's out of style, but trust and believe me, I have found cash buyers on Craigslist. And remember, when people are reaching out to you, all right, what you want to do is make sure you collect their information, name, email, and phone number, okay? And then what you can do is identify the places where they buy at and then how many properties they buy a year, okay? The third way to do it is blast out your property to cash buyers, okay? And what you can do to find cash buyers, another way is PropStream. I know I say it all the time. I love PropStream. PropStream, I wish I had it when I first started, but PropStream is great because what you can do is put in your subject property into PropStream and they will actually pull up a list of cash transactions that are in the area. You'll go there, you get the LLC, because that's normally a company that invests. You get the LLC, get their contact information by skip trace and tell them you got a property, okay? And don't forget, you want to add them to your cash buyers list. Now, before we go any further, guys, I have to say, if you're getting value out of this, if you're understanding what wholesaling is and these steps are making sense to you, hit that like and subscribe button for me, okay? Because I'm gonna keep dropping more gems, more information to help you out. And also, if you don't mind now this helps you, is in the comment section below. Tell me what videos that you want me to help so I can help you get over your struggle, okay? Whatever you're struggling with, type it in down there and I can make some videos predicated towards helping you, all right? Because like I said, I've been through the fire with this and I understand what's going on. So if I can help, let me know what I can help with. And then like I say, give me about 24 to 48 hours to respond. And like I say, I can help, all right? So we're getting close. Step 8. Now you find the end buyer and now y'all have agreed to the price, all right? Make sure you got your spread there so you're making money, all right? I've seen it where some people get a contract, make $1,000. I really don't recommend that. You know, that's it's kind of a learning curve. All right, it is what it is. But what you want to do whenever your buyer commits to your price, you want to make sure that you get deposit money. Okay, it's very important you get the deposit money, because what that actually does is weed out the real buyers from the fake buyers. Okay, and earnest money deposit, I normally do anywhere from $500 to $2,000. Some people do it 10% of the asking price on what you're selling for. I just use it to test to see what the cash buyers is. So anything for $500 to $2,000 is normally a great start for earnest money deposit. All right. Step 9, close the deal, man. Get your money. It's what it's about. Get your money. You close the deal. Good job. And now what you need to focus on is how you got that deal. Okay. How did you do it? All right. That's what you need to do. You need to rinse and repeat. All right. So when you close your deal, I'd recommend, when you new, now you don't have to do this. All right. You don't have to, but this is what I highly recommend. You take half of your profit, set it to the side, put it back into marketing. All right. Put it back into marketing. One of my favorite artists, entrepreneurs, Nipsey Hussle, the name of his record label was All Money In. Okay, he believed in taking all his profits, put it right back into business to grow the business. All right, and I did the same. But remember, guys, it's a marathon, not a race. Patience, find your pace. Like and subscribe if you like this content, and we'll go from there. And I hope you do more deals with this information. Talk soon. Peace.